Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make thick line in Excel. Make sure in Excel you can make lines thicker for the cell border or for shapes and lines you have draw manually. So the first method is thickening the cell borders. This is the most common way to emphasize specific data range or header. For this you need to select the cells which you want to outline, and then go to the home tab and find the found group and click the arrow next to the borders icon, and now select the thick outside border for a quick standard thick outline, and here it is. And now again click on the borders drop down and click on the line style, and here you can select the line style and again go to the borders icon and choose the color of your choice, like this one. This is the red. You will see that a pencil shape has been inserted. Just need to click to insert it, like this one. And now click this arrow and go to the borders tab, and here you will select the border line. For example, this line, you can choose the color of your choice, for example green, and here is the outline style. If you want four-sided, then click OK. If you want the line inside the cells, you can click over here. And if you just need the line under the cells, you need to uncheck these inside lines. And here click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. There is another method which is the thickening drawn lines or shape. If you have inserted a line or an arrow, follow these steps. For this you need to click on the line or shape to select it. For example this one, go to the insert, click on the illustration and click on the shapes and click the line. And now hold down the shift key and draw the line and drag your mouse towards the right side to draw the line. When you draw the line, the shape former tab is automatically appear on the ribbon, and then go to the shape outline and choose the color of your choice, for example below, and again go to the shape outline and click on the weight, and now select the weight, for example 3pt. This is the much darker and thick outline. And you can also go to the shape styles and select give some glows if you want to give them some glows, like this one, over your mouse, and in the preview you can easily see that, like this one. So you can also increase or decrease this line by dragging towards left or right side, like this one. And you can also move this line to the next cell by dragging down the cells. Moreover, you can also rotate this line like this one. Pick it, this one. So I hope now you understand how to make thick line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.